Good morning. This video is for assorted noises. We are packing up your Hawaiian pothos on a plank. Just gonna spin her around and show her to you in all of her beautiful glory. This is such a cute plant. She has so much growth going up the plank and more to come. Very well rooted. I mean, look at how big some of these leaves are. I did have to take 3 inches off of the plank and I am so sorry for that. There was just no other way. This is already a 28-inch tall box, but if we go to a 33-inch box, they cost around $50, so we didn't want to do that. I've got everything measured. I've been working on this one for a while, including I've got polyfill at the base of the plant, and that is taped down. That's going to keep in as much dirt as we can through the shipping process off the top. I will let you know she's got one center hole here as well as some on the sides. And those are gonna drop a little bit of dirt. It's just gonna happen in transit. But I think it's important to leave these holes open so that there can be aeration circulating through the plant as much as they can be. All right, the heat pack, because I've been forgetting these all morning. So what I did is I measured the bottom of the box. It's 20 inches across, 18 inches front to back. I measured the base of the bottom of the pot, and then what I'm gonna do is put these rolled up cardboard inserts, all 4 around the base, to keep it from shifting left, right, side to side at all. She's not gonna move up and down. She actually extends the box up a little bit, maybe a 1/2 inch to 1 inch, just because of how tall she is. So right now, I'm just taping your heat pack into the back of the box at the base, and this is just to keep it from wiggling around and yeah, harming the plant. Okay, which one was my back piece? It was this one. All right, I'm just gonna put this guy back there. She has trouble staying because of the heat pack. Okay, this is so interesting. All right. There we go. Get on in there. Super cool. All right. That's sturdy. Let's see, one there. So these will kind of maneuver around when I go to close it up more. That'll push in. At this point, I'm going to put some polyfill in between the leaves, like at the rooftop there. Yeah, this is going to take a lot of polyfill. So I'm going to turn the box this way just so I can work easier. And I'll try to update you as I'm going. I need to get a tripod. Wow, I can't see. Okay, there we go. It's not really a science. Just stuffing it in to keep the leaves and stems as preserved as possible. In fact, I worry this is all going to fall out. Let's see, I'm trying to think of what packing medium to use on the sides. I want to use like a paper almost, but I don't want the plants. Let's see, I think I might have to use Walmart bags. Yeah, because they're extra soft. I'm asking for polyfill for Christmas. was watching Home Alone, but I paused it. I want to restart or put it back on. I just don't know. I'm thinking maybe I should wrap this all in paper. This is a work of art, or it's about to be.